Hey kids, welcome back to your English online classes. Firstly, I want to congratulate you all for performing really well in your periodic tests. Well done. So today I will explain you chapter 6 countable and uncountable nouns given on page number 29 in your English grammar book. Students, keep this in mind. Noun or naming words both means the same. Okay, naming words is the other name of noun. Do not get confused. Let us see what are countable nouns. Those nouns that can be counted are countable nouns. Examples: chair, chairs, orange, oranges, etc. You can simply say that things that you can count are countable nouns. Like in these two pictures, can you count the number of oranges? Yes. On the left hand side picture, there are 3 oranges, and on the right hand side picture, there are 2 oranges. So these are countable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? The nouns that you cannot count, that cannot be counted, are uncountable nouns. Examples: sugar, coffee, rice, milk, water, salt, etc. Or you can simply say that things that you cannot count are uncountable nouns. Example: rice shown in this picture. Let us move on to the first exercise given on page number 30. Exercise A. Look at the pictures and write the correct number for the naming words that you can count. Write some for the ones you cannot count. Children, some naming words are given to you. You have to count and write down the number. If you can count those nouns, and if you cannot, you simply have to write some. Like in first one, can you count the number of buffaloes shown in the picture? Yes, there are 6 buffaloes. So in the blank you are going to write 6. In number 2, flour. Can you count flour? No, it is not possible. So you are going to write some. Number 3, some milk, as milk is an uncountable noun. Number 4, you can see the number of bags. These bags are 4. So you will write 4. Number 5, some juice, because juice cannot be counted and it is an uncountable noun. Number 6, some sand. It cannot be counted, so it is an uncountable noun. That is why we are going to write some in the blank. Number 7, 4 children. How many children are there? 4. You can count the children from the picture. So children are countable noun. Let us see the next exercise given on the same page. Underline all the naming words and write C if it is countable and UC if it is uncountable. Let's see the first one. Please give me some bread. Now children, here what is the noun? Yes, bread is the noun here. Students, it will be an uncountable noun. Now you must be wondering that you can count bread. But students, usually we do not say 1 breads, 2 bread like this. Usually we use the word bread only. And bread word itself is an uncountable noun. That is why we have written UC in the box. Number 2, is this your football? The noun here is football and it is a countable noun. Number 3, my pencils are new and sharp. Here the noun is pencil and it is a countable noun. So you are going to write C in the box given. Number 4, please buy salt today. We don't have any. Students, can you count salt? No, it will take you forever to count salt. It is impossible. So you are going to write UC in the box, that is uncountable. Rest you can do by yourselves and then check the answer from the answer key. Thank you all. Bye.